The Sentry and Sentry CT by Truxedo are hard roll-up style truck bed covers that feature an extra low profile. The Sentry comes with a leather grain vinyl fabric, and the Sentry CT comes with woven matte black fabric. Both feature fabric that is pressure bonded to heavy-duty aluminum slats, making Sentry the ultimate in durability and security. Each cover ships with a cover assembly, driver and passenger side rails, and all the hardware necessary to install it on your truck. The only tools necessary are a 1/2-inch wrench and scissors. Clean the bulkhead area with alcohol. Adhere the rubber seal to the bulkhead, making sure to align the seal with the inside edge of the bulkhead. Trim the seal to sit flush with the bed caps. Position one side rail on the truck bed. Make sure the rail sits level on top of the truck bed. Slide the rail towards the bulkhead so that the foam seal is compressed about halfway. Install a clamp in the center of the rail using a 1/2-inch wrench to tighten. Install the rear clamp about 12 inches from the tailgate. To ensure a proper seal, put pressure on top of the rail when tightening. Install the front clamp about 12 inches from the bulkhead. Repeat on the opposite side. Place the cover assembly on the rails at the bulkhead. Line the screw head on the underside of the cover assembly with the slot in the rail on each side. Slide the header guides towards the rail to secure the rolled cover to the rails. The header guide will click when it is securely fastened. Unroll the cover to the tailgate. Close the tailgate, then push down on the end of the cover to latch both sides. Secure the hook and loop on both side rails before driving. To open the cover, drop the tailgate, then pull down on a release cable. Lift and roll rear header. To drive with the cover in the open position, both straps must be secured to the retaining loops. To release the strap, push the tab up. The installation is now complete. For more information, please visit Truxedo.com.